My name is Seth Howe. This is my studio at Monet Contemporary, and I'm an artist and I was trained as an architect. My main concern in architecture is how we inhabit space, how the body moves through space, and how we experience volumes and shapes and light. But with my art, I can do it much more immediately and have much more control over it. So in my project space, I have a tall sculpture. It's a very minimalist stacked aluminum sculpture that allows you to interact with it. The goal is to get people to see themselves seeing. You're not looking at an object that represents something. You're actually looking at something that triggers your own curiosity about seeing. And whether it's reflecting the environment of color or shapes or different things like wall outlets and switches, it's everything in the environment is being reflected back at you. You're inspired to look at things in a new way.